Another reason I like working with enhancing water is that it's also a face mist. Hello community, my name's Adam Garland, global advocate for authentic beauty concept, and we are heading to Fashion Week. And here is what is in my essential kit. As a session stylist, I have multiple cases, wigs, extensions, products, but we're gonna dive into my main kit. So what is essential? Well, pretty much all of it, to be honest. However, let me take you through. You always need a gown to protect your model or your client. You're gonna need a towel in case you have to wash and condition someone's hair. You're gonna need a wide selection of brushes. Round brushes for smoothing out and creating looks. A primp or bristle brush, which has a slight curvature to it. This is great for really getting control of the hair and creating ponytails. Another essential brush would be something for detangling. This is a lifesaver when you're working with damaged or over-processed hair. We will have many heat appliances set up when working backstage, so I need to have a multi-plug board. When working with a diffuser, I like to have a diffuser bag and I like to have a diffuser. I like to have a diffuser bag for when I'm traveling internationally and I need to keep my weight down with my luggage. I like to have a standard diffuser so that I can really get into the roots and direct the hair either backwards, forwards, or wherever I want the roots to go. I've learned through error by destroying tables in the past that it is really important to have a heat-proof mat. I have a heat-proof mat and then I have an extra layer of protection with another heat-resistant mat. I have a huge selection of electricals to create different shapes and textures. But one of my most important for when working backstage or on set is to have a cordless flat iron. It's not just gonna make the hair straight, it's gonna help me bend hair or manipulate hair and finish the ends. I have a wide selection of combs in my kit. This comb is really great for detangling and moving hair around without losing the natural texture within the hair. I then strongly recommend people invest in a YS Parks comb. The pin is super strong and very sharp, and the bristles never break. Another essential comb is the Primp Finishing Pin Comb. Why is this different to a standard pin comb? Well, the teeth do not move. That means when I finish a ponytail or I want to finish an area of the hair, I know that's going to stay in exactly the right place. I have a wide selection of brushes, including makeup brushes. I use the makeup brushes to spray hairspray and then clean up any baby hairs or those loose last flyaways. It's important to have a variety of pins and grips in all colors to match your models or clients. Products. You're not going to get far without having an ultimate range of hair care and styling products in your kit. My favorites? Enhancing Water from Authentic Beauty Concept. This is an elevated, beautiful way of adding moisture into the model's or client's hair, and it smells great too. Another reason I like working with Enhancing Water is that it's also a face mist. Another essential product in my kit is the hand and hair cream. It's almost like a brother or sister to Enhancing Water. Why do I say that? Because it has a dual purpose. Not only is it great for my hands or my models, but I can also then use this product in the hair to contain flyaways and loose hairs. Another essential product in my kit is our Nymph Salt Spray. I love using Nymph Salt Spray when I finish a look to reactivate the natural texture within the hair. Another essential product in my kit is solid pomade. I love creating wet looks with this product. Some of the other products you're going to find in my kit will be our Amplify Mousse, Shaping Cream, and two essentials are the Replenish Spray Conditioner and the Replenish Balm. These products are lifesavers when you have a model turn up with dry or damaged and over-processed hair. It's going to lock in the moisture and it's going to give me a blank canvas to start with. An essential part of my kit is elastic. I use this for tying ponytails. You can see how much we use this by how little I have left. One more thing I could not be without are flat clips, and I have bags of them. These clips are really great for securing areas when I don't have an assistant or an extra pair of hands. I need to have things with me on set. That's why it's essential to have a set bag like this. I can keep my combs, some of the products, sectioning clips, brushes, scissors for cutting elastic. It is essential for me when working without an assistant to have a set bag. I have to highlight one product which is a game changer for creating runway looks. It is working hairspray. Working hairspray has a fast drying formula. It also can be applied again and again, layer by layer, to create the really ultimate tight and shiny ponytail. This is a must-have in my kit when working backstage at Fashion Week. You may be surprised to see that I also have some unconventional items in my kit. One of these being surgical tape. Why is that in my kit? Well, let's imagine I've created a ponytail and I want to bind that with latex or PVC. I need to protect the hair. This surgical tape will go on as a barrier before I apply the latex or tape. Thank you for joining me for what is in my kit. Stay tuned to the YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any questions, drop them into the comments below.